Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel. Get ready.
Because what I'm about to show you is going to completely blow your mind. This isn't just another RV. This isn't just another road trip machine. This is a rolling mansion. The all-new 2026 Luxury Motorhome. And trust me, once you see inside, you'll be asking yourself, is this even a motorhome? Or is it a 5-star hotel on wheels, where we explore the most jaw-dropping rides on the planet? And today, buckle up, because we're about to step inside. A machine that takes luxury travel to an entirely new level. The moment those sleek automatic doors open, you're greeted by a living room that feels like a private luxury suite. The space is bathed in soft LED lighting, with polished wooden floors, wraparound recliners, and a massive 4K smart TV mounted above a glowing fireplace setup. Imagine being on the open road but relaxing like you're in a Manhattan penthouse. This is next-level living. Now let's move into the kitchen, and believe me, this is not your typical RV kitchen. We're talking about glossy marble countertops, a full induction cooktop, dual refrigerators, and yes, even a built-in wine cooler. Every appliance is state-of-the-art, from the touchscreen oven to the hidden coffee maker that slides out of the wall. Cooking in here isn't just convenient, it's gourmet. Heading to the bedroom, things get even more insane. You've got a full king-size bed, premium linens, mood lighting, and panoramic windows that can transform from clear to tinted with just a tap. Imagine falling asleep under a clear starry sky, then waking up to a sunrise over the mountains, all without leaving the comfort of your bed. And then there's the bathroom, which honestly feels like stepping into a luxury spa. Heated marble floors, a rainfall shower with customizable water pressure, and even a smart mirror that gives you news updates or plays your favorite music while you get ready. This isn't just about function. It's about pure relaxation on the move. But here's the kicker, the technology. The 2026 Luxury Motorhome is fully smart-enabled. You've got AI-assisted driving, solar-powered systems for eco-friendly travel, voice-activated lighting and temperature controls, and even self-parking capability. This isn't just travel, it's the future of mobile living. So here's the big question. Would you trade your home for this rolling mansion? Drop your answer in the comments because I know you're as blown away as I am. And if this is your first time here, welcome to Auto Plus. Make sure to hit subscribe, tap the bell icon, and stay tuned because trust me, what's coming next will leave you speechless.